Hi there, welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, where we have comfortable and quality two-bedroom apartments for rent in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Today we'll be visiting a second-floor apartment at 475 East 5th Avenue. As you enter through the front door, you have a spacious 12 by 20 foot living room with a separate dining room area outside of the galley kitchen. This apartment is 860 square feet. Moving on into the kitchen, you'll see this apartment has a dishwasher in addition to the range and fridge that are all included with the home. Lots of cabinet space in here for storage as well. Right down the hall we have the smaller of the two bedrooms. This room is roughly 10.5 by 11 feet and has its own closet. The next room down the hall is the bathroom. This room has a full-size tub, vanity with storage space, and a brand new light fixture. If you need more storage space, there's a linen closet right outside of the bathroom. Next up is one of the best parts of the apartment, a separate closet with a washer and dryer. Lastly, let's check out the largest bedroom at the back of the hall. This room is about 11 by 15 feet, and we love all the natural light you get coming in through the windows. But the best part of this room is the spacious walk-in closet. Well, that's all the time we have today. We post new tour videos weekly, so be sure to check back later for an inside look at more of our awesome two-bedroom apartments in Williamsport, PA. Thanks for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.